Here are the top FMT Newsbytes, Friday, February 9th. The federal court has struck down 16 provisions in the Kelantan Sharia Criminal Code 1 enactment 2019 on the grounds that they are unconstitutional. Chief Justice Tengku Maimun Tuan Mat announced the 8-1 majority decision, saying that the State Assembly had no power to pass the provisions because the offences are governed by federal law. However, Chief Judge of Sabah and Sarawak, Abdul Rahman Sebli, the sole dissenting judge, considered the constitutional challenge an abuse of court process and questioned the federal government's absence from the proceedings. Meanwhile, past Secretary General Taqiyuddin Hassan said the matter was a dark day in history for Muslims in the country.
Kita amat sedih pada hari ini. This is a Black Friday kepada syariat Islam, kepada undang-undang syariah Islam. Bila satu undang-undang jenayah syariah di satu negeri dibatalkan, bermakna undang-undang jenayah syariah Islam di negeri-negeri lain, 14 buah negeri lagi, dalam keadaan yang amat-amat bahaya dan kritikal.
He also claimed that the decision would threaten Sharia laws in other states. Separately, Prime Minister Anwar Ibrahim said the division of powers between Malaysia's federal and state governments is often misunderstood, especially their respective jurisdictions over land and religion.
Persekutuan memang kuasanya banyak, tetapi kalau nak masalah tanah, tak boleh. Ini kuasa negeri. Masalah agama negeri, masalah negeri. Jadi ada bidang kuasa masing-masing.
Anwar also called the rally outside the federal court today dangerous and said the situation was being politicized by the opposition. Meanwhile, MECC's Chief Commissioner Azam Baki's statement about possibly summoning Daim Zainuddin again for undeclared assets is unwarranted and suggests sub judice. This is what Daim's legal team has to say after Azam said the anti-graft agency might summon the former finance minister again due to new information about his assets, which they are currently verifying. However, lawyer Rajesh Nagarajan said Azam's latest remarks disregarded advice by the Sessions Court judge presiding over the case that all parties refrain from making statements that could affect the proceedings. The Dewan Negara will convene to decide on a new president following the resignation of Wan Junaidi Tuanku Jafar. In a letter cited by FMT, it said a special Dewan Negara meeting will be held on Monday, February 19th. That's all for now. For more updates, log on to FMT and follow us here.